view, where we can now click on the VAST name to access the VAST view page, which will show us the messages received, the VAST details, and some statistics about this service. Okay, at the top right of this page you can see the actions box. This contains all the actions you can perform on this service. The first button, Reconfigure, allows us to change any of the parameters of the service by going through the creation wizard again. The second button, Pause, allows us to suspend this service temporarily so that it will still be accepting messages, but no messages will be processed during this period. All messages are held in a queue and will be processed when I click on the resume button and see that my service has been resumed. The stop button can be used to end this service, which means that no more messages will be accepted on the channels that I selected. Finally, the new draw button can be used to randomly select winners out of the participants of your service. This can be useful if you want to give away some prizes to your participants. There is a separate tutorial on how to run a new draw. Below the actions box is the SMS messages section. In this section you'll find a table containing the votes to your service. You'll notice the timestamp, the mobile phone, and the actual message sent. And if you have access to the multicast module, you can reply individually to each of these mobile numbers, or you can add some of them to a group by selecting the numbers, then selecting the group name and clicking on the multicast group button. If your list of messages gets too long, you can search through it using the search bar to find the specific messages you're looking for. You can sort it by clicking on the appropriate column name, or you can export it to a number of different file formats. Below the SMS messages section is the statistics of the service. You'll notice that the total participants and unique participants for this service is the same number because I selected the unique participants option. So even if I did send more than one messages from the same number, these would be ignored. And next to this we can see the votes per answer statistics, and we can see that I sent 2 votes to each answer. Below the statistics we can see the parameters of this service. Below that we can see the SMS channels used, and finally the list of answers. This concludes the tutorial on the vote value added service. We've seen how to create a new service, how to change some of its parameters using the reconfigure functionality, and then we've seen how to test the service by sending test SMS messages using the SMS testing tool. Finally, we saw the VAST view page and all the different information it includes. Thank you for watching. If you have any further suggestions, comments or questions, please feel free to contact us.